This is the brand new Honor 9 Lite that was released in India today, and in this particular video we're gonna check out what's inside the box and we'll have a first look at this device.
Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
That is the brand new Honor 9 Lite, and it comes to us in a very general Honor packet. It's a review box. You might not necessarily get this as your retail box. However, you see there are some of the quick specs over the quad camera, meaning dual camera on the back, dual camera on the front. Also has Honor full view display, meaning 18:9 aspect ratio, which is covered by 2.5D curved glass. And once we open the box, on top we have the device here. We have the black model. We'll come into the device in just a bit. Once we go further inside, here you'll get the SIM ejector tool, plus you have the 2 ampere wall charger, which is not a quick charger. And then also you'll have the micro USB cable. There are no earphones here. The first thing you'll notice in the Honor 9 Lite is that how shiny it is. It's a glass back and of course a glass front. So you'll have a very shiny bag. It will look very premium, but it'll also get dirty very easily. You see all these fingerprints all over, but that's a cost you pay to have an all glass very premium body. It looks and feels great, about just under 150 grams, so not that big. Also you have a 5.65-inch screen. It's a full HD plus resolution. Plus is generally mentioned because it's a full view display, 18:9, so it's not typically full HD. It's not 1920 by 1080. It's slightly more in length. That's why it's called full HD plus display. It's also covered by 2.5D glass. It's kind of slightly bends and melts into the side metal ring here. Looks beautiful. You have the dual front camera. It's a 13MP plus 2MP camera. So obviously that second camera is only a sensor. It's not a camera per se. You also have the earpiece. Behind you have the same 13MP plus 2MP camera. Again, the 2MP camera is only a sensor. You cannot use that sensor. You can use only one sensor as a camera. And then there is a noise cancelling mic, LED flash, your fingerprint sensor, and Honor branding. Below you have the micro USB port, mouthpiece, 3.5mm jack, speaker, metal power button, volume rocker. Nothing much here. You get the dual hybrid SIM card tray over here. This metal ring also looks nice. Overall, this it's very nicely sandwiched, this metal part between these two glass. It looks nice, but always remember to carry your handkerchief with this one. The display is very bright and crisp. There you go. Full HD plus display on a 5.65-inch screen is always gonna be very bright. The viewing angle you see is decent, but not exquisite. The color starts to break right about here, and reflection takes over. Powered by the brand new EMUI 8.0 plus Android 8.0, and we're going to check out the settings to confirm just that. We go to settings and about phone. There you see EMUI version 8.0, Android version 8.0. This one's powered by a Kirin 659 chipset, Huawei's mid-range chipset. We have the 4GB and 64GB version. You also get a 3GB and 32GB version. There's the screen one, so that extra above 1920 is why it's called plus resolution. What else you get? System updates and stuff, accounts, storage. So internal storage free 53.55. It's a demo device, not demo device, but it's not exactly a retail device, so there might be some files there unnecessary. 1 day, you see, average memory use is only 1.43GB out of 4GB, which is very decent, and nice RAM management. You get the typical Google Android app. You see, they've started giving more and more apps. Now, who uses Duo anyway? A Play Store and some of the in-house apps, the typical Huawei apps there. You'll get this with all your phones, the Honor, Honor Community, and Hi Games, and Emergency, and the Health app, and all those. Let's quickly check out the camera. Comes to the front camera, 13+2 front camera. I have the beauty mode on here. You see, when I press, now this is not in the bokeh mode, mind you, that the moment you press this one, you see it says bokeh enable, and then it kind of tries to blur the background. But one thing for sure, immediately it's very slippery to just hold it with two hands, because that glass body, I'm just feeling like it's gonna slip there. So you definitely need a greater or a better hold for selfie. This one is moving picture enabled, and then there you go, and we can check out the back camera there. Moving picture. This is portrait mode, then bokeh disable, bokeh enable, that one. And this one is what you call wide aperture enable. So this one and this, the difference between this one and this one is that this is a portrait mode as well, so it's kind of will correct your skin tone a bit as well. That's video. You can also change your aperture level a bit, and some of the shooting modes there. See, photo, pro, photo. Huawei generally gives a lot of shooting options, and then your settings. So that was, guys, a very quick look at the brand new Honor 9 Lite. It's sure a gorgeous device, and we'll be back with the full review very soon. Till then, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel by clicking the icon there in the middle of the screen. And also do not forget to hit the bell button so that you get all the notification. Thank you.